Hi, in front of me is Nokia 3.4 and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type sound recorder and download one of these apps, for example that one. Sorry, misclick. Now open it and click Allow. Tap on the red button to start your recording. If you want to pause it, click at the smaller one. To unpause it, click on the same smaller one, and to end your recording, click at the red button. If you want to rename it, tap on these numbers over here, erase them, and enter name of your recording. When you're done, click OK. Now to see all your recordings, click on this icon at the bottom left corner with headphones. Close an ad, and now as you can see, my recording is over here. If you want to delete it, click at the bin icon at the top right corner, tap on your recording and choose delete, then OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!